sell of his all property, and he wandered from village to village. He wandered 18 years, and he doesn't find the guru. He doesn't find the guru. When the man was totally frustrated, eventually, a shepherd boy came to him and said, a guru was lived in Himalayas. The man went to the guru. He spent 1 year to reach to the guru. The guru, when he reached the guru, he said, "Guru, please tell me the meaning of the life." The guru said, "Life is the river without end. Life is the river without end. Life is the river without end." The man said, "What are you saying? Life is the river without end? Do you mad?" The guru became angry. He became shocked and said, "Nothing in this world, nothing on the earth could tell you about the meaning of the life. Life is the lifetime you spend. You become a good man and do good work. Then your life would be a great meaning." Number 3, a balloon seller's story. Once there was a balloon seller who was living through selling balloons. Once at a fair, when his selling was down, when his business was slow, he pulled off a balloon into the air, and when the children saw the balloon, they come, and his business was grow up. He tried this idea every day, and his business was go up every day. One day man thinks that someone is stealing his jacket. The man turned back. He saw that a boy stole his jacket. He was stealing his jacket. The boy said, "Uncle, if you pull a black balloon into the air, could it fly?" The man said, "Oh my dear son, it is not the matter of the color of the balloon. It is yellow, red, black, any color. It is the matter of that what is that in the balloon." Number 4 story, Hafiz story. Once there was a farmer in Africa. His name was Hafiz. He was happy and content. He was content because he was happy, and he was happy because he was content. One day a wise man came to him and asked, "Do you know the glory of the diamond?" The farmer said, "No, I don't know what is the glory of the diamond. Do you tell me the glory of the diamond?" The wise man said, "If you have a diamond size of your thumb, you have your own city, and if you have a diamond size of your face, you would have your own country." Then at that very night, the farmer couldn't sleep. He became unhappy and discontent. He became discontent because he was unhappy, and he is unhappy because he was discontent. Next day, early in the morning, he sold off all his property, and he arranged the settlement to his family. Then he went to Spain, but he couldn't find the diamond. Then he went to Europe, but even there he couldn't find the diamond. At that, he was totally frustrated. Eventually, he committed suicide. He threw himself into the Barcelona river. Back home, the man who bought the Hafiz house and his farm, watering his camels nearby the stream. Wise man another time came and asked, "Is Hafiz back?" The man said, "No, sir." "But why are you asking me this question?" The wise man said, I know the Hafiz at a glance. What is the diamond? What is the glory of the diamond?" The man said, "There is on this stone, no one is a diamond. When the stones are going to analyze, when the stones going to analyze, they all were diamonds. The wise man surprised. What is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is that the grass on the other side always looks greener. Number 5 story, a farmer. Once a farmer who was working hard in his field, one day a man came to him and asked, if you sow the corn, so what do you do? The man said, I am fearing that the insects eat my corns. And then the man asked, if you sow the weeds, so the farmer said, I fear that there doesn't rain. So the man said, what would you sow? The farmer said, I couldn't sow. So I couldn't sow that I don't fear what is I am sow. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we are going to me and Aziz one going to the conversation. Aziz complete on the stage. There are 5 rounds of the conversation. Now we are going to start the conversation. I am the third and he is
Aziz.
First conversation between the customer and shopkeeper. And first was proper dealer and
Customer.
I am the proper dealer and
The customer. Hello sir.
hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. What can I do for you, sir?
Sir, I have a flat on the rent
Which area do you want of that?
in Sarai at Kaliska Towers.
First of all, what is your name?
My name is Aziz.
And which floor do you want?
I preferably first floor
Which area?
in Sirpur.
What is your budget?
My budget is 50,000 rupees per month.
When you come to see the flat?
As soon as you can see me the flat.
Okay, I will let your note, address and phone number.
Okay, 18 Vasant Kunj at Delhi, house number 641.
Okay, Mr. Aziz, give me some time. I will take it very easily. And when anybody will talk about you.
Okay sir, and what is your commission charge?
That is not very high. I am just actually 2 months rent. 2 months rent.
Okay sir, thank you.
Thank you. Now the second conversation will be going on. This one is servant and owner.
I am the owner and he is the
Servant. It's 9:40.
Okay sir.
Put your pedal on and get me the something.
Okay sir.
Why is everything in mess? Who is done by that man and who is then clean up?
Sir, I will do it very presently.
Put your kettle on and mind it will be broken.
Okay sir, I will do that very easily.
First of all, where are my shoes and will you clean up?
Yes sir, I clean it.
Thank you, Aziz. You will be done very good and I will impress with you. And the third conversation would be going on. And this one is salesman and boss. I am the salesman and he is boss. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sagar. How was the day today?
Sir, it is very quiet and fine. I visited all the place. Scheduled for today.
Okay, and did you meet Mr. Rahman in Sagar Enterprises?
Yes, sir, I gave him your friend.
How was his response?
Sir, it is very positive. He gave me some time and they said the response is very positive and they said let me know and meet next month and give me vouchers and letters.
Okay, and what about the NK Industries?
That is not very good. They said that the last handle wasn't on time and they were but just quite fine.
Then what did you do?
I consult them that in the future I will do very good and don't be upset I will do it very easily.
Okay, it is quite. And which area do you visit today?
Sir, it is Noida and it is Delhi.
At which other companies do you went today?
Sir, Mohan Enterprises and Sawa Industries, we are going to be industries and cut off the pay.
Okay, please fix appointment with Mr. Mohan to the Rohan Enterprises.
Don't worry, sir, we got the appointment of 5 lakh and got the 5 lakh, but it is demanded the release on 7 days. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now the fourth conversation would be going on, and it is one of the manager and boss job.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I got an application in our office.
And what is your name?
My name is Aziz.
Do you apply the assistant in our industry?
Yes, sir. I applied a job for the assistant director in your company.
First of all, what is your qualification?
Sir, I am MSc and I have a diploma in computer education.
And can you work on computer?
Yes, sir. I can work on computer. My typing speed is also good. I can type 120 words in a minute.
Have you applied any one office before him?
Yes, sir. I worked in NK Industries.
And why do you left them and why are you want to sit here and present here?
Because the company is too far and they don't give me the enough money.
And what do you think so? There what you accepted the money?
Sir, I accept 25,000 rupees per month.
Okay, Mr. Rajan, please thank God and consult them what is your qualification and then we can achieve it. Okay, Mr. Rajan, then the fifth conversation will be started. This one is taxi driver and customer. I am the taxi driver and he is customer. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Where do you want to go?
Sir, I am going to the Marine Beach.
And please sit down.
Okay, what is your speed?
That is 60 kilometers per hour.
And what is your model?
That is 2012 model.
And is your speed 60 km or 2 man?
It is 60 kilometers per hour. And it will be, I go with very fast because I can't do very slowly. Then you will start.
Oh, please don't take on it. So, please drive slowly.
Don't worry, sir. I will do it very easily because I always drive very fast and then we can always drive wasn't active and then we will be active.
Okay. My place is here.
Don't worry, sir. Please sit. Get out on the. Thank you. Thank you for conversation. Sir, please come on the stage. Sir, please come on the stage. Got it? No, sir. Now I would like to Swati and he would be talk about, let me know about the model. Please, Swati, come on the stage and he will be let about the model.
There are 18 models. May, can, might, should, could, would, dare, need, ought to, used to, had to, has to, have to, should, could, must, would, plus have, plus will. About to, will be able to, may. We can use may for condition, for sick permission. possibility. Ramlal Mehta and can we can use for two conditions. Mental ability. You can solve this sum and the physical ability. I can lift this weight. Should we can shoot for normal advice. You should consult your doctor. Used to. We can use to for क्या करता था. I used to smoke. Ought to. We can use to for ought to for moral duty. We ought to obey. We ought to obey traffic rules. Has and have. Has to and has to. We can have to and have to for जाना पड़ता है जाना है. Ramlal has to go to Delhi. Had to. We can had to for जाना पड़ा या जाना था. And example is he had to go to market. Need. We can need for ज़रूरत. He doesn't need to go there. And there we can use to there for how dare you go there. How dare you to go there. And must. We can use to must for we can use must for necessity of the work. Simi must cook the food. We can might. We can use might for less than possibility. It might rain today. Could for saka. I couldn't shut my shop. Shut down my shop. Good. We can use food for more politeness. Would you please come here?
Thank you, Swati. You told them that I couldn't shut my shop. आपने दुकान बंद नहीं कर सकी. क्या हो गया था? Sender था I couldn't open my shop. She told I couldn't shut my shop. ये प्रॉब्लम दरअसल इसलिए क्योंकि आपकी कोई दुकान ही नहीं है. नहीं है ना? Simi, please come on the stage. Simi will let you know about take time. Take time to do so and so, so and so, so and so.
Take time to read, it is the way to knowledge. Take time to work, it is the prize to success. Take time to laugh, it is the music of sound. Take time to be friendly, it is the take time to read, it is the road to happiness. And most importantly, take time to love. Eventually, you will be loved. Thank you.
Thank you. Now program is going to be over, but before that, only 5 minutes. Kavita, would you like to perform? Yes, no? Either say yes or no. Till then, Babita, please come on the stage. Babita will speak out 60 sentences at a stretch. Babita, give her a big hand. First time she is coming on the stage, otherwise she used to have handle of camera.
Not Tarsalai, why does not? tell a lie? Why does Mohan tell a lie? Why doesn't Mohan tell a lie? Why doesn't Mohan tell a lie? Mohan is telling a lie. Mohan isn't telling a lie. Is Mohan telling a lie? Why is Mohan telling a lie? Why isn't Mohan telling a lie? Mohan has told a lie. Mohan has told a lie. Mohan hasn't told a lie. Has Mohan told a lie? Why has Mohan told a lie? Why hasn't Mohan told a lie? Mohan has been telling a lie since morning. Mohan hasn't been telling a lie since morning. Has Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Why has Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Why hasn't Mohan been telling a lie since morning? Mohan told a lie. Mohan told a lie. Mohan didn't told a lie. Did Mohan told a lie? Mohan didn't tell a lie. Mohan didn't tell a lie. Did Mohan tell a lie? Why did Mohan tell a lie? Why didn't Mohan tell a lie? Why was Mohan told a lie?
Telling a lie.
Mohan was telling a lie.
Okay, thank you. Second time, don't forget just to go for rehearsal before coming on the stage. Okay, thank you very much for being with us. एक बार सभी के लिए आपस में जोरदार तालियां.